what does understanding mean? I think in some sense it means that you map a domain onto something that you can already compute, which means you have some model that tells you about the causal dynamics of a system, and then you take another system and map it onto that, or decompose it into things that you can simulate. And there's also slightly different to a simulation is a simulacrum. A simulacrum is something like an actor that you dress up in your own mind, for instance, as a machine or as a physical process, and then this actor just produces the desired behavior without necessarily implementing the required internal structure for doing so. Right? So imagine that you want to understand how it is that the sun is shining. You can make a mental model where you basically take some kind of a universal actor and dress it up as a sun and then tell it to shine, and it sits there and shines. But you still don't know anything about its internal dynamics. It's just you can map the inputs and outputs of the sun and let it produce a certain behavior. And to understand it goes a step beyond that. It basically means that you will have something like a mechanical explanation where you understand the causal dynamics at a deeper level. And then there's this difference between the understanding of a relationship where you understand one function, and the difference of a domain where you understand the entire parameter space of the function. So you understand what happens in the entire room. You basically click on the light and you see the relationships between the objects in the entire room, including some of the objects that you haven't seen so far. So you discover the hidden symmetries. And this is the crucial part of deep understanding.